In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Semrush in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll have successfully changed your subscription plan to a more budget-friendly option. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you like best. In the search bar, type Semrush and hit Enter. You should see the Semrush website popping up in the search results. Click on it to proceed to their homepage. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to either log in to your existing Semrush account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. For returning users, you'll find the login option usually at the top right corner of the page. Just enter your credentials and you'll be in. For new users, the sign-up process is simple and typically involves your email and creating a password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you need to. Now, let's focus on the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon or perhaps your initials. Click on this area. A drop-down menu will appear. From these options, look for and select Subscription Info. It's the gateway to managing your current plan and exploring other options. Here comes an important step. You've reached the subscription information area. Now look for the option that says Compare SEO Plans. This will typically redirect you to a page showcasing the different plans available and their specifics. It's a good idea to glance through what each plan offers so you can choose one that matches your requirements. Now, let's focus on selecting a less expensive plan. Scan through the options and determine which plan suits your needs, ensuring it's lighter on your wallet than the current one. Once you've identified the plan you want to switch to, click on it. This will usually bring you to a confirmation page, which will guide you through confirming the change. Finally, you'll need to confirm your payment details. Ensure that everything is correct and make any necessary updates. When you're ready, proceed through the confirmation prompts to finalize the downgrade. That's it. You've successfully downgraded your Semrush plan. As we wrap up, remember that downgrading your plan will adjust the features available to you, so be sure to review what's included before you finalize the change. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your subscription and ensure it aligns with your current usage and budget. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process.